In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download images in the Google Gemini Windows app. By the end, you'll confidently save any image you see in your Gemini conversations straight to your computer without losing time or quality. First, make sure you're in the Gemini Windows app and you can clearly see the image you want. You might be looking at an image the app generated for you or a picture included in a response. When you've found the one you want to keep, simply click the image. This opens it in a larger view so you can see it more clearly and access the controls tied to that image. If it doesn't expand on the first try, give it another click to ensure it's selected and fully loaded. Opening the larger view is important because that's where the download control appears. Once the image is open, look for the download option. In many layouts, you'll see a download icon that looks like a downward arrow or a button labeled Download, often near the top corner, or along a small toolbar that appears over the image. Go ahead and click Download. That's all you need to do inside Gemini. The app will hand things off to Windows to save the file for you. After you click Download, your computer will save a copy of the image. On most Windows setups, it goes straight to your Downloads folder unless you've changed your default location. If your system asks where to save it, you can confirm the default or choose a different folder you prefer. The format will typically be a common image type, like PNG or JPG, which opens easily in any photo viewer or editor. A few quick tips to make this smoother. If the image looks blurry before you download, wait a moment to let it finish loading in the preview so you capture the best quality. If you don't immediately see the download option, move your mouse over the image or along the edges. The toolbar often appears on hover. If the button seems unresponsive, check that you're connected to the internet and that the app is up to date. You'll usually find the file in your Downloads folder with a default name. Consider renaming it right away to something memorable so it's easy to find later. And as always, be mindful of usage rights when saving and sharing images, especially if they include third-party content. That's it. Click the image to open it, then click Download. 2 quick actions, and your picture is saved to your PC and ready to use.